This video will show you how to build your own surface-applied air dive system for underwater pool repair or boat cleaning. The primary components used are a second stage regulator or your breathing device, some connectors and fittings, an air breathing hose, water separation and particle filter, and an electric oil-free compressor. I would highly recommend that you buy quality components from reputable suppliers for this project. After all, you are breathing air from a compressor, and you want to ensure that you have a proper breathing hose and proper filtration and a regulator that doesn't leak. For a second stage regulator, you want to select one that works at lower air pressure, such as the Cressy Octopus XS shown here. It comes with a 3 feet hose, and it is built by a reputable manufacturer. Next, you'll need an air breathing hose. Make sure it is an actual air breathing hose and not a standard compressor air hose. They are available in 10, 20, 50, 100, 250 feet lengths. 20 feet was sufficient for my requirement. I could have connected the long air hose directly to the second stage regulator, but I decided to keep the short hose and just purchased a scuba thread adapter, which allows me to connect the short hose to the long hose as shown. Notice the material here is chrome plated brass. You want to use the same material, and that's standard for scuba equipment. For those people who want to use a scuba tank on the surface instead of a compressor, the air hose and second stage regulator assembly shown can be connected directly to a first stage regulator and your scuba tank and used as is. Since we're connecting to a compressor, I use a Scuba 3/8 inch to 1/4 inch NPT adapter. To avoid galvanic corrosion, it's important that you do not use aluminum or steel quick disconnects with this hose assembly. This air filter and water separation filter will filter out particles as small as 0.3 microns. It's critical that you buy a high quality air filter for this project. Notice that I'm using aluminum high flow NPT connectors mated onto the aluminum chassis of the filter. The compressor is fitted with an NPT high flow quick disconnect. To use this system, all we do is connect the air filter to the compressor, quick disconnect, connect the air hose assembly to the air filter, and then set the compressor to 70 psi. If you're not familiar with using a scuba regulator to breathe, practice using the system at the shallow end of the pool. The regulator has a diaphragm inside which presses the valve when you breathe in to let air flow into your lungs. And when you exhale, the regulator closes that valve and air flows out into the water. Please leave any questions or comments.